This is a brief tutorial on how to take SPSS output tables and export those tables into Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. This tutorial is done in a PC environment. If you'd like to see this tutorial in a Macintosh environment, please refer to my other video. So here we have a multivariate output in SPSS with various different output tables, and I want to take one of these tables and export it into Excel. I might want to do that to manipulate the look of the table or maybe make it APA formatted. So there are actually three different ways to do this. The first way is to take whichever table you want to export. In this case, we're going to do descriptive statistics, right-click, and then go to export. This will open up a new window, and in that window you'll see a pull-down menu with different types of export files. We want the XL 97 to 2004, the XLS file type, and then we're going to hit OK. And what that's going to do is it's going to save that output wherever you have this output, your SPSS output. So I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to create a new file called output, an Excel file. Let me show you what that looks like. So here it is. It has copied all the data from SPSS, including some of the formatting for the table. And it's editable, so I can go through and change the name of it if I want to, or I could take away some of the elements here, maybe the shading here, to make it APA formatted. Okay, that's one way. The other way of doing it is to right-click and copy as Excel Worksheet BIFF file, and that's just going to copy it. Then you open up Excel, go ahead and click the top left-hand corner here to grab the whole spreadsheet, and then paste. And there are two different ways of pasting this. You can paste it with the formatting or without the formatting. I like to do it without the formatting because it's easier to not have to clear out some of those formatting decisions that SPSS copies over in order to make this an APA style table. So just come in here, make sure that I have all my horizontal lines the way I want it to. Oops, wrong part. There we go. And then again, I can change any of the titles here or the table titles, so on and so forth. The last way to do it, let me go ahead and hit Control Z to take away all these edits, is to simply just copy it. It's the same thing as copy as. I just go copy, then I open up Excel. Same thing, grab the whole spreadsheet, right click and paste. I can do it again with formatting or no formatting, or I can just hit Control V, does the same thing. And again, I can manipulate the data. And the same thing can be done in Google Sheets. So here I have a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. I've already copied the data, so again, I click this left-hand corner and then right-click and paste. And it puts all the data into Sheets. So again, different ways to export the data. It also works. I can show you a different, something maybe a little bit more complicated than, let's go to another table like this within subjects effects table, copy, same thing. I'm going to open up Sheets or Excel and then paste. And it's going to put all that in there. It's just a lot easier than typing all this up. So there are three different ways to copy SPSS output tables into Excel or Google Sheets to help you APA format those tables.